Semi-truck barrels down the highway, swaying from side to side. The skies shift from a beautiful blue to black within seconds, and just as quickly the truck capsizes. What seems like a scene from Twister is really a scene from truck driver Randy Perry Monday evening.
Pitching left to right, and then I seen the discoloration and the sky turn real fast, and that was it. I was on my side within seconds.
Severe weather terrorized southern Kansas with high winds and hail. Roads were closed in areas due to uprooted trees, down limbs, and power lines. The Argonia Elementary and High School both suffered severe damage to their roofs as the winds blew away parts of the structures. I'm Mark Mancuso.
So it was like a tornado, but there was no warning.
TXU Energy
Just all of a sudden, 1 minute it's pretty, and the next minute you're on your side.
Free nights. Imagine free electricity all night, every night, all year.
Not everyone will see the storm.
Free weekends. Free electricity.
Wait, let me turn this
each
off.
weekend.